Hi everyone. Today we will see how you can turn on Bluetooth on your Windows 10 PC and how you can pair it with a Bluetooth device. So let us get started. Uh, Open your Windows 10 PC and in the taskbar you can see an option called this notification menu. It's the highlighted option which I've selected. Click on that. If you click on that, you will get a various options. In that there will be Bluetooth. You can see I've highlighted. If you click on the Bluetooth gets turned on, and if there are any nearby Bluetooth paired devices, then it gets paired. I'll just turn on the Bluetooth device and let's see what happens. You can see not connected now, but after Bluetooth gets you can see the Bluetooth got paired to my already paired Bluetooth device Eyeball Glint. So now I'll just turn off this Bluetooth again and let's see what happens. It's not connected. One second, let me. So yeah, you can see as I've turned off my Bluetooth device, it says not connected. So if as my device is already paired, it is easily connecting. If it is not paired, what should be done is you just right click on that and click on go to settings. It will automatically take you to the Bluetooth settings, and here as the Bluetooth is now turned on, now the name is Bluetooth is discovered with my laptop name Vaio, and this is the audio. So like these are the paired devices. So I'll just unpair this for a moment and just try. I'll say remove device. Yes, I've removed the device. Now I'll just turn on the device again. Now you have to click on add Bluetooth or other device. So it will ask Bluetooth, mic, keyword, audio, etc. Now it is showing the new device which I have recently unpaired. I'll click on that. It is saying connecting, and once it got connected, you have to click on done. And if I just disconnect this Bluetooth again, it says paired. So you see I disconnected the device, but the device is still paired. You can see paired option. So if I just turn it on, now I've turned on, and you can see it will automatically check for it and connect it. So this way you can connect and remove a Bluetooth device using your Windows 10 PC. So this is Zeb Infinity is a Bluetooth speaker which I've connected and paired. So only for the first time you have to connect it manually, but once it is paired, it will automatically connected when the devices are nearby and the Bluetooth is turned on. And these are the audio related Bluetooth devices, and this is the mouse, keyboard and pen related Bluetooth devices where you can connect them as well. So this way you can connect and remove a Bluetooth device using your Windows 10 PC. If you have any question regarding Bluetooth connections and any other Windows 10 issues, let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching. Have a very nice day. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a